Now, let's not forget about sales tax. Texas also has your sales tax. The state tax is 6.25 and the local jurisdictions can add up to another 2%, meaning the combined rate of taxable purchase can be up to the 8.25. Again, none of these numbers individually tell you whether Texas is expensive or inexpensive, and that's really my entire point. We really need to see the full picture. Now, this is where the conversation gets a lot more interesting because let's say you're moving to Texas, right? And obviously, there's going to be different parts of Texas. Like, let's say we're comparing Austin or Dallas to El Paso. The cost of living out there is going to be significantly different. Like, there's people that I have out there, like friends and family, that will tell me, Alexa, for what you guys can rent an entire house for, like that's a studio for us, right? Like you can easily get, and I actually just had a call from somebody from YouTube that told me that they were considering getting a job out here in El Paso. They were going to be working with the courts and that they were thinking about renting for the first year just to kind of like get a feel for the area. Then I started giving her some other examples. Now she's open to the possibility of also purchasing because she's seeing like the possibility of it becoming an investment. But when we were talking about some of the numbers, which just confirm what I've heard myself and I've seen myself when I go and visit these places, when you're looking to get like a little studio or like a one bedroom in a good area that's nice and you name it, you're easily going to be paying about $2,500 for rental when you can actually get a full house for that price, like $2,500 to like $3,000. You'll get a phenomenal house. So these are the little things that you really want to compare, because overall, yes, the state income tax plays a factor. And yes, if you're comparing apples to apples with the example I gave you earlier, if you start making less money and you're in a state income tax area, then that is going to go down, right? Now you went from 100,000 to 50,000, you're going to pay less in your state income tax. But on the same token, if you're living in a very expensive area where your state income tax, yeah, it's going to go down, but you're still going to be stuck with a super high bill every single month for your utilities, for your groceries, for your activities, then obviously that plays a factor.